26 from clear vision pressure runway 03, tower 126.0.
We flew into Charleston, South Carolina in our Grumman Tiger 3 days ago, and I'll tell you that this is an amazing destination for pilots and aviation enthusiasts. If you are flying into Charleston in a private aircraft, you at least have two airports to choose from: Charleston International Charlie Hotel Sierra or Charleston Executive Juliet Zulu India. Both airports provide easy access to Charleston area and nearby attractions. CHS is a Class Charlie controlled airport where airlines fly into, whereas JZI is more catered towards general and corporate aviation. I chose to fly into CHS as it is a little bit closer to the city and I got a better deal on the rental car. Speaking of which, there is an on-site rental car facility at CHS called Go Rental. If you are flying into JZI, Go Rental will deliver car to you. I went with Avis as my rental car provider as they had cheaper rates and delivered the car to Atlantic Aviation, my FBO of choice at CHS. The avgas was a bit pricey at CHS compared to JZI, but Atlantic had an agreement with local hotels and was able to hook us up with a decent hotel in downtown Charleston at a discounted rate. Charleston is a small town with charming Georgian houses that are still operational. Take a stroll on the Bay Street to check out the Rainbow Row, a row of pastel-colored historic homes. If you are into photography or Instagram, this is a great place to be to take some amazing pictures. Definitely check out the Rainbow Row during sunset or sunrise for some epic pictures. After checking out the Rainbow Row, we checked out the iconic Pineapple Fountain, a popular spot for kids to play. We later checked out White Point Gardens by the waters and got something delicious to eat. As a pilot and an aviation geek, the trip won't complete without visiting the Patriot Point Museum, where you will find USS Yorktown, an aircraft carrier, and USS Laffey destroyer. I had a great time checking out USS Yorktown and various aircraft on display aboard the aircraft carrier. More importantly, my kids had a blast too. Here are some of the clips from Patriot Point Museum. If you are a history buff or a nature lover, you'll certainly enjoy what Magnolia Plantation has to offer. We took a little train ride to check out the habitat and spent some time learning about the history of the plantation. It is a worth visit. There are so many things to do in Charleston, from great museums to the plantations. From beautiful sunsets to historic buildings and beaches. All of this makes Charleston a bucket list place for your next fun flying destination. Flying into CHS was effortless and the controllers were great. I recommend CHS for anyone who wants to fly into Charleston. Guys, I worked very hard on making this video. Please support me by liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel. I will see you guys in the next one.